Okay, hello everyone. My name is Arven Sanjaya. Today I'll be discussing the effects of fast fashion on the environment. While fashion can be a fun way to show our style, the fast fashion industry has serious effects on our planet. Let's dive into what fast fashion is, how it impacts the environment, and what we can do to make things better. What is fast fashion? Fast fashion refers to the rapid productions, cheap clothes to keep up with uh, ever-changing trends. Brands like Zara, H&M, and Uniqlo are known for releasing the new collections very quickly, sometimes even every week. This makes people buy more clothes. But the problem is that these clothes are often worn only a few times and then thrown away. This creates a culture of that hurts the environment. Environmental impact overview. Fast fashion has several negative effects on the environment, but we can focus on three major ones. First one is it uses up a lot of water. Two, it causes pollution through chemicals. And three, it creates massive amounts of waste. In fact, the fast fashion industry is responsible for about 10% of the world carbon emissions, more than the entire aviation and shipping industries combined. Next point, water usage and pollution. Fashion production, especially cartoon, consumes massive amounts of water. For instance, it takes 2,700 liters to make one t-shirt, which could sustain a person's drinking needs for over 2 years. A significant issue in water-scarce regions, the dyeing process also pollutes rivers with harmful chemicals, as seen in Bangladesh, where factories contaminate local waters. A well-known case in the Aral Sea, which nearly dried up due to cotton farming's water demands. Textile waste and carbon footprint. Fast fashion leads to massive clothing waste. The average American discards 81 pounds of clothes yearly, much of which is polyester that can take 200 years to decompose. Production polyester also emits 3 times more carbon than cotton, and global shipping further increases pollution. The fashion industry energy use exceed the of aviation and shipping combined. Social impact and environmental connections. The low prices of fast fashion come at a social cost, with workers in developing countries often underpaid and working in unsafe conditions. Environmental damage like pollution and resource depletion also affects these communities, worsening their living conditions. This demonstrates how fast fashion's issue intertwine with environmental and social challenges. Okay, next point, sustainable solutions. Luckily, there are ways to make fashion more sustainable. First, circular fashion. This is about recycling and reusing clothes instead of throwing them away. For example, brands like Patagonia have programs where you can return old clothes to be recycled or repaired. Next is slow fashion. This is the opposite of fast fashion. It focuses on buying fewer, high quality items that last longer. By investing in durable clothes, we can reduce waste and support brands that care about the environmental. In fact, research shows that by extending the life of clothing by just 9 months, we can reduce the carbon, water, and waste footprints by up to 30%. What we can do? As consumers, we have the power to create change. Here are some things we can do. First, buy fewer clothes but focus on high quality ones that last longer. And next point, support brands that are committed to sustainability. And shop second hand or thrift stores to reduce waste and recycle or donate clothes instead of throwing them away. It's also important to demand more transparency from fashion brands and push for better environmental and social practices in the industry. By making these small changes, we can all play a part in protecting the planet. And last one is conclusion. In conclusion, while fast fashion makes it easy and cheap to follow trends, the environmental and social costs are very high, from water usage and pollution to massive amounts of waste and carbon emissions. The industry impact on our planet is significant. However, by being more mindful how we show and supporting sustainable practices, we can help the fashion industry move toward to a greener, more responsible for future. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation has shed light on the impact of fast fashion and inspire you to consider more sustainable choices. Together we can make difference, and if you have any question or like to discuss further, I'm happy to answer. Thank you guys.